I agree. We got earnings next week, though.
I know you read my text, but I'll be getting DMs in the morning. Hey, bro, where are you live trading?
I mean,
Dedicated category and channel.
it does say Brandon GD live. I would think that's pretty specific, but I'll be even more specific. All right, bet.
It's the reality.
What you watching?
It's Tesla for sure.
I like it.
SPY over top three market highs, Q over top three market highs. I'm also watching, still in this BOSE, I think should continue higher on our equity, get more trims off. This RR looks pretty good. It's a cheap stock, but broke out. It's sure today, so see what happens with that.
Let's get this bag. Yeah, Nvidia does have a weekly squeeze. I think it's giving the buy signal currently. Definitely not a bad idea for equity. But just like a little more bullish price action on the weekly. What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Good morning, Justin, Fred, Stockfather. Who else we got in here? We got 40 of you in here so far. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I do want to start off by saying if you have not signed up for the free webinar, that is in, let's see, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5 days. 5 days until the free webinar. So make sure you guys tap into that. Here's a link right here. Again, it's completely free to join. Free webinar. Free 99. Is Jadon here today? No? Or no? There we go. I think he's doing that thing today. Oh, Gene's taking over. Everybody's about to blow their account. I'm gonna tell him I said that.
That's not nice, dude.
He'll laugh.
Yeah,
He'll giggle. He'll giggle. That's fire.
Dude, I'm about to give them high schoolers free emails.
He should have kept the Revolto for one more day. Yeah, the level I'm watching on NQ is 25602 all the way down to 25539. It's going to be our bounce, a little far away. But obviously volatility is pretty high today, so could definitely play out. Reject is all the way up at 25802 to 25823. So no, he did not let me drive the Revolto. That was a big no-no. But he let me drive the Storado like the day after he got it. So that'll do. That thing's fun. I would actually buy one of those. I'm not a big fan of Lambos, but I'd actually buy that one. Two minutes still open. It's Gene on Jadon's live stream. That's funny. One minute. All right. You guys ready to crush it? Everybody in the YouTube, if you guys could, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. About a third of you have hit that like button so far. I live trade on here every single day for free. All I need you guys to do is join and hit that like button. That's all I ask for. So let's get this bag today. Trade safe, trade smart. And remember, A+ setups only. A+ setups only. Let's get this motherfucking bag. SPX, I think, filled the gap. Or it's about to. Yeah, pretty much filled the gap on SPX. There we go. Now it's filled. See if we can either hold above it or reject. I have no more accounts to give away until February. So, February, yes.
Looks like there's a good amount of stocks that are weak right now. We're selling off of the open. PLTR, Tesla, a lot of tech.
If you guys didn't see in the YouTube chat, I'm doing a free webinar next Monday. So if you guys aren't signed up, make sure you do that. Oh, where's the link? There it is. Here's the link. Takes like 2 minutes to sign up. So again, it's free, completely free. If you can't make it, it will be emailed. So make sure you guys sign up for it. Like I said, it's completely free. I was watching this swing on KMI and I wanted to wait till today because it was based off the weekly and it's just gapping and going. Are you still in that Gilead, GD?
Yeah.
That shit's nuking.
I told you, bro. This setup was so fucking good.
I saw it yesterday. I was like, damn, he's making a bag.
I'm still in 5K.
Good shit. I think KMI reported 2 days ago. Or yesterday morning at least. Because it looked really good. Or maybe I just didn't see they reported yesterday. Let's see. GC. Yep. But above that 48.41 was strength. I'd like to see a pullback and retest of 48.41. Again, if you guys could, everybody in the YouTube, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 90 of you in here and only 33 likes. So again, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It helps a lot with the algo, pushes it to new people. The more people we get in here, the better. All I ask of you guys is hit that like button. Stick around for the whole stream as well, because hopefully we can catch a banger. Also got to see what news we have today. Let's see, Thursday we had GDP in the morning. It says we have PCE at 10. Does anybody know if we got PCE this morning? Market Watch says it's at 10, but usually we get that at like 8:30. Interesting. We're trading at the ES gap fill. We're starting to fail that SPX gap fill. If you want to learn more about my strategy, just type in BrandonTrades supply and demand. It'll break it all down. I got so many videos breaking it down. It's weird that we have it at 10. Usually we don't. Usually it's always at 8:30. Let's see, we got NQ falling. Let's watch like this 25,000 level on NQ. Or sorry, 25,600 level. Gold's failing that high. So, not interested in gold unless we reclaim 41. What's up, Zachary? Meta strong today. Let's see. Indeed it is. I haven't traded Meta in a minute. But I watched this pullback to 631. Lines up with the moving averages. If I can get my account fast enough. You couldn't have said meta like 30 seconds earlier, huh? I just got it set up. He said something about meta. I said that 631 looks good, but I was getting my account pulled up. Those contracts already went from like 3.5, give or take, up to like 410. They could push the gold. Oh my God, this meta. They could push the gold here. It's just your risk is too large. Now it's going to be like over 12 points. So I'd like to see that moving average come up and still hold like this 41 level. Who told me about meta? LBJ. 30 seconds earlier, we would have made a bag. Equally, it's also my fault I didn't have the account set up. Again, if you guys could, 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 110 of you in here and 52 likes, so about half of you have hit the like button so far. Find that thumbs up, click it. That's all I ask from you guys. Free live trading every day. All you guys got to do is your part, hit the like. Those meta contracts were pretty cheap too. Rip. SPX is above that daily gap. ES is above the daily gap. Don't look, LBJ. Gotta take meta off my screen. Nah, don't stare at it. I do want to watch this gold pullback though. I just watch where we actually fill. So the daily gap. I trade them both. I trade futures and options. Wherever there's money, that's where I'm at. Love to see NQ get to our demand zone. That'd be ideal. For sure. Where you at, GD? There we go. All right, let's watch this level. I'm getting close. Yes, it's really selling for some reason. I'm like 10 more points. It's 2-5, 8-12. Yeah. Come on, don't bounce early. Want 10 more points. That gold hit that 41 again and then moved. Sitting here talking, I'm muted. So I was watching that 25602.
Shorts don't look terrible here. I just honestly would like to see if more will pop up into these EMAs, see if we can reject. There's not much there, but we did sweep that high. Just making me lean to the downside. Maybe no gaps or nothing. Yeah.
Let's watch this O2 level, see if we get it. Watching potential longs.
Those 5 puts worked out good. I just wanted to see a little bit of pop into those EMAs with the jack.
Okay, we're in the beginning of this demand. See if we can hold it. ES demand is at 69.34. Which we're about to tag. Touching this 3-hour demand on NQ now. We're at the beginning of the demand on ES.
This is drop. OBJ. Unreal. I guess we did kind of test the right KQQ, but we didn't sweep that high. You got close though. Now we're at the slow, so.
Still watching. I'm gonna try some MES longs. I'll stop out below 33. Try some MES longs. There we go. Come on. Keep pushing.
Well, on the screen, Brad.
Come on. Keep pushing. Oh. Come on. Crack above this 40. There we go. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and take a trim right here, everybody. Stop loss break even.
Nice sweep on this KQQ. So far, so good.
See if we can get more out of this. I wanted to trim going into this previous low over here. Get above it, though. I'd like to see VWAP for our next trim. So like 40, is that 45? Yeah. Trim around like 44 or 45. Come on, a little bit more. There we go. Go ahead and take another trim up here, everybody. Did you guys make money on this trade? Yes, no, maybe. W? Some of you? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Good shit. 2 trims, stop loss, break even. Nice trade. Gonna hold the rest until we get close to news or we come down and we hit break even. Got news in 7 minutes.
This is going a little bit. This break more about these EMAs. Honestly, gonna wait for my breakout level here. 38 area. Until that point, I don't have interest. If you wanted to anticipate the move, you could take the long, stop loss is low. If you don't know that either. But I'm not gonna anticipate. I'm just gonna wait.
Come on, give us more. Come on. I'd like to see like this ADMA up here at like 48. Definitely have some selling going into that that level as well, 46 to 48. You guys still holding some runners? It's a 30-minute workday right there. One runner. Yeah, high day would be fire. I just don't know how we're gonna react to the delayed reports, so I'm definitely closing before news.
Scalp failed.
All right, I'm all out at break even. Nice little scalp. It definitely still has potential to go higher. But I see no reason to not have our stop loss break even, especially after it pushed, 7-8 points from our entry. So yeah. How much you guys make off that trade? Type it in the chat. How much you guys make? 205, 130, 970, 156, 2500, 255, 80, 125, 320 times 2, 125, 275, 654 times 785, 400. Sound like a goddamn auctioneer over here. 88. Going once. Going twice. Sold. To the man in the white hat. Good shit, everybody. You guys got them. Post your gains in Team Bull and at us. At me and GD. At me and GD. Yeah, like I said, there's definitely... What's up? Yeah, there's definitely potential that it could bounce again. But I'll be back in a second, though. All right, I'm back. One minute till news. See what we get off of it. We went a little deeper into that 3-hour demand. And Q's digging deeper as well. This is the last possible demand that I had on NQ. This 40. What are you thinking, GD?
I don't know. We're kind of just at this area. I don't really have any thoughts. To be honest. I don't know what I want to really form out here.
Yeah. Again, make sure you guys post your gains. I'm not seeing anybody post and add us. You made money with us. Yeah, when I get more accounts, I'll give away accounts. Take a screenshot, post your gains in Team Bull. That's all I ask. Or I'm never calling another trade again. How about that? Better see 5 poster gains at least. I'm never calling a trade again. Well, I just saw a bunch of people, but add us. I don't know who's who. I'm asking for a lot now. I apologize. There we go. Now we got a couple coming in. This gold is pumping. Right off that fib, too.
I wanted to take a short today, but just no entry.
It's just so hard for me to short when we're in demand.
Well, we swept that high on the SPY. We had the first red candle was the EMAs. I was just looking for a pop, above those EMAs and then, retake back below, just so I can place my stop loss at the top of that candle high, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
But then, you took a bounce and we didn't even get up to the EMAs again to make a new low.
I know. I was hoping it would pop more.
Once it pops more, I was going to say look for shorts just because, one, you already took a good bounce. 2, it's just a structure to make a new low.
Yeah. There's definitely potential that we still hold this. These are the last zones of the demand, though. We break below 40 on NQ, it's invalid, and then if we break below this like 26 on ES, it's invalid. So then no more demand after that. Guys want to lock in that profit for the day, though? 30-minute workday. That's all you need. Still holding that level on NQ. Yes, looks like it's beginning to break below that level. 29.5 is technically the end of the demand, but that last 5 minute held above it. So I'd say if we break below that, it's invalid. Still holding on this NQ though. Hold on, YouTube. I'm gonna turn this camera off real quick. I want to see if they actually took this big ass box. I have a 100-inch TV box that they wouldn't take in the recycling, so I'm trying to see if they're taking it. Let's see.
We see sweep of it slowly, push higher. In all honesty, not much setting up from here now. Let's buy over QQ. Definitely could balance this area, but I don't typically take bounces, so
It's so crazy where I used to
I'd
live.
like to see us push higher.
Hold on.
Push up. It's a small gap we have.
We're still holding this demand. Where I used to live, You know, if you left stuff outside the trash bag or outside the trash can because it wouldn't fit or it was too big, they would get out and they would take it. Colorado, they don't do that for some reason. It's like they're too lazy to get out the damn truck.
Looks too good.
There we go. I'm back.
Trade strategy definitely works too.
Peace out, Josh. Again, if you guys got them, post your gains. Did we hit our 5 goal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just kidding. We need 10. I mean, we're still holding this NQ demand at 40. It's the last possible spot that we could bounce today, too. Of course, John. Tap in every day. We live trade every day. I literally like had this 100-inch TV, right? Big ass fucking box. And the recycling was already filled. I called him. I was like, hey, like this box, one is not going to fit. Even if I cut it down, it's still not going to fit. Can you guys just take it? He kept trying to say it has to be in the box to take it. I was like, you are not understanding me. This is a 100-inch box that is not going to fit. And I don't have a car to take it, you know, to the dump or wherever the hell it would go. I got a GTR and a Tesla. That 100-inch TV is not fitting in either of them, right? So I was like, you're not listening to me. And he's like, all right, I'll put it down for them to take it. But like, dude fought me for like 5-10 minutes. Just say, all right, they'll take it. Like, what? Way different in PA, I'll tell you that. I'll actually get out and take it for you. See if we continue to hold this demand. What are you using to chart, Alex? That's probably why. Every charting software is kind of different.
It's very odd, but every chart is different. Like I would have different levels right now if I charted on Thinkorswim.
I only chart on Thinkorswim.
I know I like trading before.
You use TradingView?
Yep.
It's just not the same for supply and demand. Like I can't plot supply and demand on TradingView. Like sometimes they'll line up, but there's also a lot of times where it doesn't. Still holding demand.
I'm still on this area. This is the last area I see in spot that we went nuts for a while.
Yup. Every time it pops up, they sell it off.
Still holding it though.
Yeah. All right, YouTube. I'll be back in a few minutes. The coffee is hitting. So, you know what that means? I'll be back. How do I close that? There we go. All right, I'm back. I am back. Sup, GD? I'm back. I missed you.
Yeah.
That Starbucks was hitting. So, needed to do a quick little detour. Still holding this demand on NQ. Just didn't really like the price action off of it. Unfortunately. If you guys need accounts, by the way, Apex Tradeify TPT, make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Today is the last day for Apex 80% off, if you guys didn't see. So again, Apex 80% off expires today in 14 hours. So if you need accounts through Apex, now is the time. Code Brandon. TPT 40% off, no activation fee with code Brandon. And then Tradeify is either 35 or 40% off right now. It was 40% off, but I don't know if it went back down. So, again, if you guys need the accounts, use code Brandon. Damn, we're really pushing off of it now. Oh well. If all we get today is that ES trade, so be it.
See us break back above these EMAs and through the inverse this little tiny gap we have. Maybe look for a rate test for longs. Maybe.
Bro, Nvidia's doing absolutely nothing today. It's barcoding. Code Brandon in all caps. Yes, sir. That's the cheat code, too. It's passing your accounts using code Brandon.
Well, now we're just about to move a lot lower, especially if we keep this candle closes below this pre-market low on QQQ and spot.
What is this price action, bro? That might be the only trade I take today, to be honest, but we'll see. See if it offers anything else. If anything, I'll just risk my profits from today. Got 1 week till I go to Miami, too. I'm hyped. Need a little beach trip. Beach trip would be fire.
Close, but we still are holding in range on the spot. Whether that means anything. We haven't broken it yet.
I'll be doing an Instagram post, but I'm still reading the chat. Mainly New York, but I do trade Asia periodically throughout the week, depending on what I have going on.
Tested this market low a few times. See here on both of these last candles. But again, just not up there for me. We're still holding in range for SPY. So
Damn, GC's
not the price
nuking.
action.
Shit. Just doing an Instagram post right now, everybody. But we're still holding that demand. So until we either break below the demand, we can look for more downside, or if we hold it, we can look for a push up. Obviously, like we've already touched it too many times, and every time we pop up, we come back down. So I don't care about the longs. I'm mainly just waiting to see if we take out these lows. Because if we take out the lows, like I said, that opens the door for lower with price. There we go. All right. Want to know what's funny, GD? No? All right. Good talk.
Oh, sorry, I was talking. I was muted.
Well, not funny, but cool. That Gordon Ryan guy liked my post again. I'm gonna go fight him. I'm gonna DM him.
Look at this GLD, bro. This shit is cooking. Oh my gosh.
Is it? Yeah, I think it should be an easy triangle choke. Gordon Ryan. Bro, look at gold. Straight ripper. If you guys got questions while we're chilling, feel free to ask. I gave up on the Instagram post. I'm gonna do it later. It's taking too much. But if gold is nuking, silver should be too.
So, it's not a candle. Let's see if we can hold it.
Let's see. Just sucks that they wanted to break it below that pre-market high on GC, but yeah. Oh well. But again, if you guys got questions, feel free to ask while we're chilling. I don't really see any setups right now. I'm kind of just waiting. Already took a nice trade. Again, if that's the only trade I get today, then so be it. But yeah. You looking for potential longs?
Yeah.
Nice.
We could even take another entry here and just have stops at the low. But I would like to see this SPY push up and more candle than retest. Wow, two level setup.
I like it because we keep holding demand. So I'm only interested in longs until we break demand. I would actually like to see gold pull back and retest like 48.50 if we can close up here on this 5 minute.
Real big trader now, so that's why I'm not.
Took one trade earlier on ES. I was able to capture like 7-8 points on it. So, I mean, decent. It's base hit with this volatility. You know, give on any given day that could have been, you know, a really good trade, but with this volatility, you know, it's like it's all right.
Only thing I do see is if we do continue higher and push above the EMAs, we would sweep this low and reclaim back above them.
Trade of 8.
So therefore,
If you're using your own capital, trade of 8
direction.
by far. Trade of 8 by far. Your questions cut off. Here. There you go. Or if you ever use prop firms, make sure to get the Trade of 8 accounts. I just like Trade of 8 the best. You literally, it's so easy to buy and sell. Literally just buy market, sell market. It's the easiest shit.
We can pop higher and inverse this gap we have in the spot. That sets us up.
I do want to watch GC though. GC looks really good.
These EMAs as well.
Close like up here on this 5 minute and then pull back. Really interested in this gold, everybody. 48.50. Yes, sir. That demand's playing out, just didn't like the price action.
Let's see if you can Q can get to this EMA. Right. Trying. Alright. Starting to break through it now.
Damn.
Small cap too. This candle continues. But yeah, this looks looks pretty solid. It's a continuation higher.
Shit. Again, I'm watching a pullback to like 50 on gold. Maybe even like 52, 53 if it pulled back now. All you have to do is click on the chart, but I don't put, it's rare that I actually put like hard stops or hard trims, I kind of just do it on my own. So all you gotta do is click on the chart though, and it'll literally say like, what's it say? Sell X amount limit or buy X amount or buy. Yeah. Buy or sell. There we go. I'm stupid.
I mean, Julian, I would say it's a bad thing.
I know.
100%. It's a great trade. Post that in games, bro. Tag you. But yeah, that is a little unfortunate.
So you like inverse gaps, GD?
What's up?
You like inverse gaps?
I mean, I don't typically use them, but like I'll mark them and watch them. Like right now, Gavin's fine, but if I really want to just push one candle higher than retest it, if that makes sense.
Yeah. So you literally look for it to break when it should reject, and then look for it to come back and make it support.
Yeah.
Interesting. I will say I'm not a big fan of smart money concepts, but there's it's called like SMT divergence. I have been back testing that. That tends to hit. But I'm sure it's been around for a while and it's got a much less complex name. I just don't know it.
Let's see. The structure looks good for upside. Might try a little piece. Just put a stop below this 5-minute low. Watch time get a bit warming up this candle. Generally speaking, this is the only place I see is continue higher. But I'll wait 1 minute to close. With my stop loss. Well, let's see us pull back. Maybe pull back to the even base. And we can get this stop loss this previous 5-minute.
Still watching gold.
Back, see reaction. There is any.
It's really the only thing that I'm really seeing is that gold pullback.
Kind of like this on QQQ. I might take this on QQQ. Somebody's coming out. Just because we have a bullish gap that was formed on QQQ. You guys notice that? Alright, I'm gonna give some a shot on QQQ, smaller size that we can trade later, or later in the day. Give it a shot. Stop loss was bottom of the gap here.
GD's trying some longs. I'm personally not. I'm chilling on my profits right now.
We have sweep, we have gap.
I'm so hungry right now.
I do have reason. But did we get was the question? Yeah, for the most part. I do have an extra screen on the side of the back turn to get, but most of the time I'll use my phone.
It's looking good so far for him. Meta's cracking into new highs.
Alright, guys. Taking a tiny piece off here, very small. But I'm looking for a price to move up a little to the 621 at least.
Nice trade, buddy.
It's baby right now. Just need this to move. Good amount of high. But very good entry so far.
Again, don't forget, if you guys haven't signed up for the free webinar that I'm doing, take 2 seconds and do so. Everybody in the YouTube live stream. Sign up for the free webinar. Like I said, it's free. Fucking join. It's free. Like, what's your risk? Exactly. Nothing. So join completely free next Monday. Tap in. That is that link right there. It takes 30 seconds to a minute to sign up. So do it. It's like 30 points on NQ.
And we got literally less than 5 cents away from the gap. If you wait for the gaps to be touched every time, you're going to miss so many entries. What's the difference, right? You take it, it's 10 cents. Now, if it's like 30 cents away, 50 cents away, there's a difference. Alright, we are a bit of it up here. Come on. You guys can raise your stop loss if you want to the bottom of that candle, or whatever you like to do. But it's looking really good. Either way, you should end up right off the tip. You got a really good entry there. Right first, we'll say.
If you guys want, also join the free Telegram group that I have. I type in there throughout the day, just like market updates. So there's that link right there if you want to join that as well. The t.me. That's the Telegram. Two winning trades today.
Sir. Stop loss rate, you know the rest.
Good shit, dog.
Sir. You want 20%. up here. That's what we do. Bang. Come on. My stops and break even. So, go back down. Okay. Hopefully, you guys are making some money on this. And hopefully, we get up to 621. That's really where I want to target.
I gotta make a phone call. I'll be back.